Now I'm going to show you how to attach the blue vane trap to the T-post with two 18-inch zip ties. So I go ahead and start the zip tie. I just loop it through, and you want to leave it big enough that you can slide it over the top of the trap, and you want to make sure in the very end that this zip tie is sitting underneath the lid snugly, because that is what's going to hold up the trap when you put weight in it onto the T-post. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down, making sure again that the zip tie stays under the lid, and it'll come out, and that's okay. You just want to make sure before you get it too tight that it's snug under there. And you want to cinch it down pretty far, making sure that you leave a little loop here. There's zip ties under the lid, and we're going to put this loop through the prong on the T-post. If you can see here, there's a little metal piece sticking out. So we're going to put this part of the tie through the little prong sticking out, and I'm not going to cinch it down all the way because I still want to use the zip tie later, but when you cinch it, you want to make sure again that the tie stays under the lid, and you want to make sure that when you cinch it, you don't cinch it completely all the way tight, because when you come back to check the trap, you're gonna just slide this whole contraption off of the T-post. Otherwise, you're gonna have to cut the zip tie and then reuse another one, and we don't want to do that. So again, take the loop, slide it over the prong, and tighten it down. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna take a second zip tie, and you're just going to secure the bottom like this. Again, I'm not gonna tighten this, but you secure the bottom with the second zip tie. That way it's securely attached to the T-post. And that's it.